Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we will learn computer network, purpose of computer network, and the types of computer network. What is mean by computer network? Computer are linked with each other to share resources and information. The main purpose of computer network to share resources and information. कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क बनाने का मकसद रिसोर्स शेयरिंग और इंफॉर्मेशन. व्हाट आर द resources may be printer, scanner, and information. To connect computer, various devices are required for communication. कंप्यूटर को एक दूसरे के साथ कनेक्ट करने के लिए कम्युनिकेशन डिवाइसेस इस्तेमाल होते हैं, जिस तरह hub, switch, router, modem. These all are communication devices that are used to make computer network. And as we know that the main purpose of computer network is resource sharing. For example, if there are 10 computers and only one printer is there, so in order to share this printer, the computer are linked to each other, and also the printer can be shared if printer is a part of computer network. Now let's define a computer network. A collection of two or more computers that are linked together through communication medium. Communication medium may be fiber optic cable, twisted pair cable, coaxial cable, or wireless media like microwave, radio waves, and infrared waves. These are wireless communication medium. In order to share computer resources and information, a computer network is formed. It can be used for simple tasks like sharing a printer, scanner, software, games. It allows the user to communicate with each other easily through electronic mail, chatting, video conferencing. These are the uses of computer network. The main purpose of computer network is resource sharing. The resource sharing may be printer, scanner, and software, games. And if we want to send email, then there must be computer network for video conferencing, for chatting. These all services can be done with the help of computer network. This is the figure which show computer network. These are computer and they are linked to each other through switch or hub, and this is the only printer. So printer is a resource, and this resource can be shared by all these devices if they are linked to each other. Types of computer networks. Networks are commonly classified into three types according to the geographical boundaries. According to geographical distance or boundaries, there are three types of computer network: LAN, main, WAN. LAN stands for Local Area Network. As its name indicates, that a network which is within a small area like home, school, small office building, or small laboratory, that is form local area network. LANs are inexpensive to install because they need less resources for making the local area network. The most common type of transmission media that is used in LAN are twisted pair cable, and twisted pair cable is most commonly used in inexpensive media. Coaxial cable and fiber optic cable. Today, wireless LAN is also becoming very popular. What is mean by wireless LAN? A LAN which is made using wireless media like microwave, radio wave, infrared wave. Network adapter and hubs are commonly used devices to build a LAN. Network adapter and hub, these are the communication devices which are used to link computer in a LAN. A LAN is used for resource sharing and a resource like files, games, printer, scanner. These can be shared using local area network. User can also use LAN to communicate with each other by sending email or chatting. A LAN in turn may connect to other LANs and to the internet or WAN. This figure shows local area network. The two resources, scanner and printer, are shared between these devices. In LAN, since distance are limited, that's why the communication rate is very fast. There is also a limit on the number of computers that can be attached to a single LAN. MAIN stand for Metropolitan Area Network. It covers a city or large campus. It is larger than local area network. MAIN are larger than LANs but smaller than WAN, wide area network which covers the whole world. Many mains may be as large as the size of a city, and in some cases, it may be as small as a group of buildings. Main is difficult to install. It requires fast networking components and additional communication equipment in order to achieve better speed. In main, fiber optics are preferred for high speed. This figure shows that five local area networks are linked to form a single metropolitan area network. These are local area network and they are linked together through a communication device called a router. Router is used to connect LAN to form a metropolitan area network. WAN stand for Wide Area Network, a network which covers a country or the whole world is called Wide Area Network. Internet is the example of Wide Area Network. It is a network that covers a broad area, such as different provinces, countries, and continents. Normally, WAN consists of two or more interconnected lanes or mains. Large business and government departments are the user of WANs. WAN is expensive than LANs. Computer connected to a wide area network are often connected through public networks using DSL. Yes, through a DSL telephone lines, computers are connected to the internet. WAN can also be connected through satellites because internet is the example of wide area network. And when all the computers in the world are connected, which is the example of wide area network, the world's most popular WAN is the internet. PIA ticketing system and different branches of a bank connected through the country are the example of wide area network. This figure shows wide area network which connects India, USA, England, Turkey and Pakistan. This is the example of wide area network. These countries are connected through wide area network.